Hi everyone. Today's topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. We are finding the solution for the given equations by a graph. So, in maths subject, paper 1 and paper 2, from first paper you will get from two chapters two graphs questions. First one third polynomials, second either pair of linear equations. So already we discussed about polynomials graph. Now we are going to discuss about fourth chapter graph for 4 marks. So let us consider one question. Check whether the given pair of equations consistent or inconsistent. Find the solution by a graph. Already we discussed the condition for consistent and inconsistent. So if the given equations, we need to compare with standard form ax plus by plus c. Means here we can compare it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 5 equals 0 first equation, and 3x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0 second equation. Here we take suffixes with 2. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now take the a1, b1, c1 values, a2, b2 and c2 values by the ratios, means x coefficient ratio, a1, a2 ratio, a1 by a2. What is a1 here? X coefficient here it is 2. a2 in the second equation is what? 3. So what is that? 2 by 3. Next b1 by b2. What is b1? Y coefficient in first equation 1. b2 here y coefficient in second equation minus. Next c1 by c2 constant terms. First constant term here minus 5 and here c2 minus 4. Cancel, what will we get? 5 by 4. Now compare these. Is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2? No. Means what we are getting? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Means here since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, check whether consistent or inconsistent. From this condition we can say, tell me consistent or inconsistent? Yes, consistent. Consistent in the sense there exists a unique solution and their graphical representation in what? Intersecting lines. In which form they are? Intersecting lines. Means after drawing the graph they will intersect. In this case what type of solution we will get? There exists a unique solution. Exists a unique solution. So here we can write there exists a unique solution. Let us draw the graph for them. What is the first equation? 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. So while drawing the graphs for these equations, while drawing the graphs, we need to express one variable in terms of other. So here express y in terms of x. So what is that first equation? For the equation, what is that? 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. From this, what is y equals to? What will we get? Implies y equals to, transpose remaining all other terms to opposite side. Minus 5 become plus 5, plus 2x become minus 2x. Let us take the table. First column x. For every x we will get a y. Then what is y? Y equal 5 minus 2x. So here itself we have to do the solution. So take x and y values, some simplification we will solve here. Then take x comma y in the last column. Okay na? X, y equal and x comma y. There you will get a pairs, means points. Suppose if I take x equal to 0, what will we get? Y equals to 5 minus 2. X means 2 of 0. 5 minus 2 into 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Then what is the point? X 0, comma y 5. Next point. Let us take 1. Y equal 5 minus 2 into 1. 5 minus 2 ones are 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Then what will we get? 1 comma 3. Next 2. Y equal 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Then you will get 2 comma 1. Next let us take 3. y equal 5 minus 2 of 3. 5 minus 2 into 3 6. 5 minus 6 minus 1. What will we get? 3 comma minus 1. Next 4. Y equal 5 minus 2 into 4. What will we get? 5 minus 2 4 is 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3. 4 comma minus 3. You may take negative values also. Suppose take some minus 2 values suppose. Then what will we get? 5 minus 2 into minus 2. 5 minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. 5 plus 4 9. What is the point? Minus 2 comma 9. So this is the tabular points for the first equation. Similarly, we have to take same tabular points for the second equation. So let us take what is that second equation? For the equation, what is that? 3x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. In this, again you need to express y in terms of x in this form. What will you get? See, minus 2y transpose to opposite side. 3x minus 4 equals to 2y. Then transpose to opposite side. Divided by 2. Let us draw the table. X column, first x value. Then y equals to, here y equals to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Then after, here you need to take x comma y table, means points. Same table values you may take, or you may take randomly. Suppose x equal 0, y equal 3 of 0 minus 4 by 2. 3 of 0, 0. 0 minus 4, minus 4 by 2. 2 1 2 2 the. What will you get? Minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Next, take suppose x value as some 1. Y equal 3 of 1 minus 4 by 2. 3 of 1, 3 into 1. 3 minus 4 by 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 2. So 1 comma minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. Next, suppose 2. Y equal 3 into 2 minus 4 by 2. 3 into 2. 6 minus 4 by 2. 6 minus 4, 2 by 2. You will get as 1. So 2 comma 1. Next, suppose 3. Y equal 3 of 3 minus 4 by 2. 9 minus 4 by 2. 5 by 2. So 3 comma 5 by 2. 5 by 2 in the sense 2 2 ja 0.5 means 2.5 will get. 2.5 means on the graph sheet in between 2 and 3 middle, exact middle one. Next, suppose 4. Y equal 3 of 4 minus 4 by 2. 3 into 4, 12 minus 4 by 2. 12 minus 4, 8 by 2. What will we get? 4. 4 comma 4. And you may take some negative also, already we stated. Suppose take minus 2 suppose. So y equal 3 of minus 2 minus 4 by 2. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 2. So minus 10 by 2. What will we get? Minus 5. So minus 2 comma minus 5. So these are the tabular points for the first equation and for the second equation. We have to locate these points on the graph sheet. Then we have to connect them, join them. Okay na? So let us take graph for that. So see here. X-axis, y-axis, origin, x dash, negative x-axis, y dash, negative y-axis. So let us see here. Take the points on x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yeah. Next, pass to y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 maximum value. Or we take extend. If you have space, we can take extend. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Or you may, if you extend, we may get minus 6. Here what we need to write? Scale. Important one, scale on x-axis, on y-axis. So 1 unit equals to 1 unit equals to 1 unit equal what? We are taking same 1 centimeter only. Important. Coming to first tabular values, locate them and immediately join them. First location of first table means for first equation 0, 5, 0, 5, x 0 on what? Y axis. On y axis. Positive 5 no? Because of that above 0, 5. Next 1, 3. On the graph sheet for 1 we have vertical line like this and horizontal line for 3 like this. We can join them, we will get 1, 3. Next 2, 1. Similarly we have a vertical line 2 and a 1. So you will get here 2, 1. Okay na? So these you have on the graph sheet. I hope you can understand easily. Next 3, minus 1. 3 minus 1 now means below. 3 minus 1. Both will intersect here. 3, minus 1. 4, minus 3. 4, minus 3. 4, minus 3. 4, minus 3. Next minus 2, 9. Minus 2 x and 9 above. Minus 2 and 9. Some. Is there any? No. So what we have to do? We have to join all these points. We have to join all these points. While joining these, in the previous polynomial chapter, I said you have to join them with free hand. But in this case, this is a line. Compulsory you need to use the scale. Compulsory you have to use the scale. It should be in a straight line form, not with free hand. You were compulsory must and should you have to use scale to join all these points. So let us see how can we join. Okay na? Okay, if I join what we are getting, see here, if I join all these with the help of a scale, we will get a straight line. And after location of the points for the first table, means for the first equation, immediately you have to join them. Don't left the points without joining them. And some students they may do after location of second table, they join all the first and second tabular values. In that case, they may confuse. That's why after completion of first tabular location of the points, immediately you have to join them and name that equation either top or below. Suppose here I am writing which one it is first one. What is that standard given? 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Then we can easily identify. Next coming to second tabular values. See in this table some of them are you are getting fractions, but don't get confused. Fraction nothing but you will get 0.5 or 0.6 like that. Means in between every unit means say 10, we will get 10 lines, nothing but third line is 1.3 like that. Seventh line is 1.7. In between 2 and 3, middle line is 2.5 like that. First one 0, minus 2. X is 0 on y axis, minus 2. So below. So here it is the point. Next one 1, minus 1 by 2. X 1, y minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 means in between 0 and minus 1. 1, minus 1 by 2. Next one is 2, 1. 2, 1 means same point. Means if you observe 2, 1 in the second and in the first common, nothing but here you need to realize that is the solution. Otherwise join them we will get. Next 3, 5 by 2. X 3, y 5 by 2 means 2.5. 3 and 2.5. Something you will get here. In between 2 and 3, 2.5. And it is 3 like that. Next 4, 4 and 4. So 4 here. Next minus 2, minus 5. X minus 2, y minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5. Here you will get. So if I join all these, you will get a line. So let us join them. So see here, I am joining. Okay, if I join them, we will get in this form. This is second equation. Both first and second will intersect at a point. What is that point? 2, 1. Take perpendiculars like this and write the solution there. 2, 1. This is the solution for the given graphical, means for the given equations. And check whether they consistent or not. Yes, we have checked. They are consistent by this condition. After that, we are drawing the tables. From that table, you will get the points. From that point, if you locate on the graphs and if you join them, you will get a graphical representation. This is the second. Let us write the name of this. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So both are intersecting at a point, that is a common point for both, nothing but they are intersecting. Means what does it mean? For 2 comma 1 both equations will satisfy. That is the meaning, that is the solution for a system of pair of equations. System of pair of equations means the given equations will satisfy for same x and y in the two equations. So that's why that is said to be a solution. And below the graph we can write that therefore solution x comma y we are finding 2 comma 1. So this is way of drawing the graphs. If you have doubt with your graph result, we can substitute 2 comma 1 by checking process or verification. Substitute in the first and second, both sides it will be left side LHS and RHS should be equal. So this is the way of drawing the graphs for the linear equations in two variables. Here you will get for this graph 4 marks. So you need to draw the two tables. And students, don't get confused while drawing and by identifying the means by locating the points. Once location of one graph or one line, you need to join immediately. Then only you have to take other. If you use scale, compulsory you will get a straight line. You don't worry. And this is the way of drawing, and this is the way of writing the table. And here you need to remember that this middle part is important because here you do calculation part. If any of the plus or minus symbol if you miss, you will get wrong solution. And also while taking this, suppose I have taken positive and negative, you may take how can we get direct 2 comma 1 both if you have doubt? You better solve them rougher before going to draw. You have to solve these in the rougher by the method of elimination or method of substitution. If you solve them, you will get 2 comma 1 solution. Then that 2 comma 1 you may indirectly you have to realize that compulsory you have to take 2 comma 1 in both tables. Means 2 comma 1 is 2x. Here also automatically you will get. Means before drawing the table we can get the answer. Then that answer should be included in the table. That is we have logical to remember. So students, I hope you all understood about this topic. So do the related problems, more problems that will helpful to you get exact graph structure. So thank you.